Aloe vera is a wonder plant. Known for its thick, fleshy leaves, this succulent has been revered for its healing properties for thousands of years. It has thick, spiky leaves that are not just visually striking, but also packed with a treasure trove of benefits. Inside these leaves is a clear, soothing gel. This gel is a powerhouse of nutrients and has been used in various cultures for its medicinal properties. People have used this gel for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, who called it the plant of immortality. It can heal burns and cuts, providing a cooling effect that soothes the skin and promotes faster healing. Today, it's found in a variety of products, from lotions and shampoos to skincare and cosmetics, thanks to its hydrating and rejuvenating properties. But did you know it's good for your insides too? Aloe vera juice and supplements are becoming increasingly popular for their internal health benefits. Aloe vera is packed with nutrients, including over 75 active compounds such as vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. It has vitamins like A, C, and E, which are powerful antioxidants, as well as B12, folic acid, and choline. These nutrients help combat free radicals in the body. These nutrients have amazing health benefits, contributing to overall wellness and vitality. They can help you feel more energetic and healthy. They can boost your immune system, making it easier for your body to fend off illnesses and infections. They can help your digestion by promoting a healthy gut environment and aiding in the absorption of nutrients. And they can even support your liver. Aloe vera helps detoxify the liver, ensuring it functions optimally to keep your body clean and healthy. Additionally, aloe vera is great for your skin. Its hydrating properties can help reduce acne, soothe irritation, and even out your skin tone. It's also beneficial for your hair, promoting growth, reducing dandruff, and giving your hair a natural shine. With so many benefits, it's no wonder that aloe vera is considered a miracle plant. Whether you use it for skincare, hair care, or internal health, this versatile plant has something to offer everyone. So next time you see an aloe vera plant, remember all the incredible benefits it holds. Truly, nature's miracle plant. Your liver is a vital organ. It is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. It works tirelessly to keep you healthy. One of its primary functions is to filter your blood. Every minute, your liver processes about 1.5 liters of blood, removing toxins and waste products that can harm your body. Another essential function of the liver is the production of bile. Bile is a digestive fluid that helps break down fats in the food you eat, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. The liver also plays a key role in storing energy. It converts excess glucose into glycogen, which can be used later when your body needs a quick energy boost. Additionally, the liver helps regulate hormones, ensuring that your body's various systems function smoothly. Your liver is essential for life. Without it, your body would struggle to perform many critical functions. It's a true unsung hero, working behind the scenes to keep you healthy. Given its importance, it's crucial to take care of your liver. Regular checkups can help monitor its health and catch any potential issues early. Unfortunately, the liver can be damaged by various factors. Viruses like hepatitis can cause inflammation and long-term damage. Excessive alcohol consumption and unhealthy foods can also take a toll on your liver, leading to fatty liver disease and other complications. Over time, this damage can accumulate, leading to serious health problems such as cirrhosis, liver failure, and even liver cancer. It's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect your liver. That's why it's crucial to support your liver health. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help. Avoiding excessive alcohol and maintaining a healthy weight are also important. Additionally, certain supplements can support liver function. By taking these steps, you can help ensure that your liver continues to function optimally, keeping you healthy and strong. Aloe vera is a powerful ally for your liver. It contains compounds that protect liver cells from damage. These compounds act like antioxidants. They fight off harmful free radicals. Free radicals can cause inflammation and disease. Aloe vera also helps to detoxify the liver. It supports the liver's natural cleansing processes. This helps to remove toxins from the body more efficiently. A healthy liver means a healthier you. Alcohol is a toxin. Your liver has to work hard to break it down. Drinking too much alcohol damages liver cells. Over time, this can lead to fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. Cutting back on alcohol is one of the best things you can do for your liver. It gives your liver a chance to repair itself. It reduces your risk of serious liver problems. Remember, moderation is key. Section 5. Bad fats. A recipe for liver disaster. In this section, we will explore the impact of different types of fats on your liver health. Understanding the difference between good and bad fats is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Not all fats are created equal. While some fats can be beneficial, others can be detrimental to your liver. It's important to know which fats to include in your diet and which ones to avoid. Some fats are good for you. These healthy fats, such as those found in fish, nuts, and avocados, can support liver function and overall health. Incorporating these fats into your diet can help you maintain a balanced and nutritious eating plan. But bad fats, like saturated and trans fats, can harm your liver. These fats are commonly found in fried foods, fast food items, and packaged snacks. Consuming these unhealthy fats can lead to serious liver issues over time. They can build up in the liver and cause fatty liver disease. This condition occurs when too much fat accumulates in the liver cells, leading to inflammation and liver damage. It's a serious health concern that can have long-term consequences. Limit your intake of bad fats. By being mindful of the types of fats you consume, you can protect your liver from damage. Reading nutrition labels and making healthier food choices are essential steps in this process. These are found in processed foods, fried foods, and fatty meats. Choose healthy fats instead. Opt for foods that are rich in unsaturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of liver disease and promote overall health. These are found in foods like avocados, which are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support liver health. Including avocados in your diet can be a tasty and beneficial choice. Nuts and olive oil. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats and can be easily added to salads, snacks, and meals. Olive oil, known for its heart-healthy properties, is also excellent for liver health. Use it in cooking and dressings to reap its benefits. Section 6. Aloe vera versus alcohol and bad fats. Aloe vera supports your liver. Alcohol and bad fats harm your liver. The choice is clear. While aloe vera can't undo all the damage, it can help your liver to function better. Think of aloe vera as a protective shield for your liver. It helps to defend against the damaging effects of alcohol and bad fats. It's a natural way to support your liver health. Section 7. Aloe vera juice, a refreshing liver tonic. You can enjoy the benefits of aloe vera in many ways. One popular option is aloe vera juice. This juice is made from the gel of the aloe vera plant. It has a slightly sweet and tangy taste. Look for pure aloe vera juice. Avoid juices with added sugar or artificial ingredients. You can drink it straight or add it to smoothies and other beverages. Section 8. Scientific proof. Aloe vera for liver health. Many studies have shown the benefits of aloe vera for liver health. In one study, aloe vera extract improved liver function in people with fatty liver disease. It helped to reduce liver enzymes and improve insulin sensitivity. Another study showed that aloe vera protected the liver from damage caused by a common painkiller. This suggests that aloe vera may help to protect the liver from drug-induced injury. Section 9. Incorporating aloe vera into your diet. Adding aloe vera to your diet is easy. You can drink aloe vera juice. You can also find aloe vera supplements in capsule or gel form. Start with a small amount and increase gradually. It's always best to talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and any potential interactions with medications. Section 10 Conclusion. Aloe vera, a gift for your liver. Your liver works tirelessly every day to keep you healthy. Give it the support it truly deserves with aloe vera. This incredible plant offers a natural way to protect and enhance your liver function. Remember, a healthy liver is a happy liver. Choose aloe vera, avoid excess alcohol and bad fats, and enjoy a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you.